soul, are you weary and troubled? No light in the darkness you see. There's light, for look at the Savior and life, more abundant and free. Through death into life everlasting, we passed and we follow him there. Over us he no more has dominion, for more than conquerors we are. Turn your eyes upon Jesus, look full in his wonderful face. The things of the earth will grow strangely dim in the light of his glory and grace. His word shall not fail you, he promised. Oh, believe him and all will be well. And go to a world that is dying, his perfect salvation to tell. Go